So you are trying to play games on your emulator and it sucks, it's lagging too much. So today we are going to explain a few steps how you can reduce your lags. First thing what you need to do, to go to task manager, go to details and find out where is your emulator. In my case this is my emulator. Right click on it, set priority to high. Normally it's be on normal, so what you need to do is set priority to high. So what happens when you set the priority to high, it's prioritize your emulator before anything else on your system. But this thing is gonna, like, you have to do it every time you launch your emulator. Like, see here, if I launch my emulator, I go to my task manager, go to details, and it's on normal. So every time you launch your emulator, you put it on high. So this is the first way you can reduce your lag. Second way is we are gonna go through the settings. Just put your CPU on high, memory on high. In the performance mode, if your games are crashing, put it on balance. If it's not, then put it on high performance mode. Frame rate's gonna be 90, and remember to put it on enable high frame rates. And you don't need to go all the way to up there, because it actually doesn't matter, because all the phone games like goes up to 90 fps. It doesn't go more than that, except for one or two games. And in the display settings, if you're having too much lag, you can reduce the resolution. But if you're not having lag, then you can just keep it the resolution your monitor is. In my case, my monitor resolution, let me show you guys. In the display settings, if I select the number 2, it's 1920 by 1080, so I go for the 1920 by 1080. The pixel density is actually your DPI, and it's actually increase your sensitivity, in-game sensitivity, and decrease the in-game sensitivity. If you wanna want more sensitivity, like if you wanna move your cursor less but the screen rotate more, if you want that, you can go for the higher DPI. If you want like more rotation of your mouse and less movement inside your game, you can go for the lower DPI. In my case, I like the 240 DPI, so that's my choice. In the graphics engine mode, we have compatibility and performance mode. If you are in, it's like same as this one, the high performance mode. If your PC game is not crashing, you can go for the performance mode. If your game is crashing, then you can go for the compatibility. And let's come for the graphics rendering mode. If you doesn't have a good graphics card, then go for the DirectX. If you doesn't have a good graphics card, but if you have a good graphics card, go for the OpenGL. But still the game is gonna lag, but we are gonna show you how you can optimize it. In the audio, you don't have to do anything, like there is nothing else you need to do. In the device, just put it on Asus ROG 2, and there is actually nothing left to be done here. So that was from the part of the emulator, so that should get your job done. But remember, I told you guys about the rendering engine, OpenGL. So now we are gonna go to Nvidia's control panel. From the Nvidia's control panel, we are gonna go to manage 3D settings, program settings, and we are gonna select our emulator. In our case, this is App Player HD Player, this one. This is our emulator. And look at my settings, and you just need to do the same as mine. And the OpenGL rendering, put it on your GPU. It's on like global setting, put it on your GPU. And the power management, prefer maximum power. And on the texture filtering, put it on. After that, we are gonna go to texture filtering quality, put it on high performance. And then texture filtering, this is on. Thread optimization off. And remember to put vertical sync on off. Vertical sync is something like vsync. We all know about vsync. It's like sync our frame rate with our monitor. In my case, my monitor is 60 hertz, so if I turn this on, my game is never gonna go to 90 fps. So we're gonna keep it off, so my game can run up to 90 fps. So this is pretty much everything. It's like if you have done each and everything of everything I showed you guys, your lag should be reduced. If it yet not getting reduced, then your system have some issue. So that's it. I hope this videos help you. Remember to put a like, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.